Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to speak on the cue card and basically do the English practice which I'm frequently doing past couple of months. So today I've chosen a topic for speaking in this video and that is very excited and you will found very relatable to yourself as well because as I'm a beginner and I'm learning English, so it will be helpful for you as well. So today the topic is about describing a person you follow on social media. So this is the topic which I need to basically speak on this video, and so for that I have wrote down all the words which I'm going to use in this video. So if you want to learn something, so you can watch this video till the end, so you can basically practice by yourself as well. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So in the social media platform there is a lot of people who are expressing their self and expressing their post. Basically I do cut a lot of social media because it takes a lot of time. So rather than giving a lot of time, I just try to learn from videos. So for that I just chosen one YouTube channel who is very related to my career. Basically, because of that, I've chosen the YouTuber name is Chat with Traders. So I found out this channel past 3 years back, where I was scrolling on the YouTube and found out one podcast where where like which is 8 to 9. Years back, and so there is a lot of things which is not related to money, because nowadays a lot of people are charging money without getting something which is valuable to you. So I found out that videos that is very helpful for a person who want to basically be motivated in trading field and want to do something in investing, trading and financial market as well. So there is lot of insight which I found out very helpful for me. So after watching this person, I feel like there is huge knowledge without costing anything. So I try to watch every day whenever I got time, because his videos are mostly lengthy in YouTube, basically 1 to 2 hours of video, but there is huge knowledge behind there, and there is lot of work he has put in on the videos, on the podcast. Basically that is a great source of beginner who are also working on doing something in financial market as well. So basically I basically he if I talk about this person, basically he upload basically 1 to 2 videos in monthly previously, but nowadays he is not uploading the videos, because there is lot of videos on the YouTube where if somebody watch his video, so he can basically learn easily trading. And so after watching his video, I have got a lot of mistakes which I've done in my business as well, like my trading as well. So from there I've learned a lot of things. And if I talk about it was started and basically I've lost a lot of money. So I was basically want to learn something, and for that I am searching, but everyone is charging some sort of money. So even going there, they are charging money. So for that I just watch his videos. So there is lot of things which is understandable, and which will he give all the traders who are coming to his video without costing any money. So this is very short, and this is it for the cue card which I've basically spoken on this video. I found it very interesting. I want to make it interesting. So I hope if somebody's want to do something in trading as well, so he can also subscribe his channel, because he's giving a lot of knowledge which you will not find anywhere, like comparison to books as well. There's a lot of things, but if you want to a learner of English language as well, so you can watch his podcast while in English as well. So this is very great way. So on this note, I'm completing this video. I hope you found it valuable. Bye bye. Have a good day.